In this video, I'll quickly show you how to wash off the slime part of the catfish and also enhance the quality and taste of the flesh of catfish. Because washing off the slime of the catfish is a big hindrance to a lot of consumers of catfish and even fish farmers. So if you are one of them and you find yourself in this video, you are covered. Please subscribe to the channel. Catfish is very slimy and it has slimy layers. That's why it is very slippery when you are holding it. And to make the flesh sweet and take off the slime part of it, it requires additional skills. And that's what we are going to discuss in this video. First and foremost, you need 2 ingredients to wash off the slime completely. First is salt and second is lime. So the salt, immediately you harvest your catfish, put them in a container, add enough salt onto them as you can see on your screen, and quickly cover the lid or cover the container of the fish because they are going to jump out. This is going to kill them and help remove the slime. So when you put them in the container, add the salt, cover it, and allow the fish and the salt to stay in the container for about an hour. Yes, 30, 40, 50 minutes, you can start processing, but some of them will be still alive. The best time is an hour. By then, most of them or almost all of them will be dead. And once they are dead, you can even see the slime of them. So at that moment, you add your water and then just have the first rinse of them and change the water. After you change the water, when you put new water, add additional salt into that water. And by that time, you have chopped your lime into pieces, or just split it into 2 pieces. Just divide the round one into 2, divide into 2, and add that into the water. That's the second washing. And if you are going to use the lime juice, that's also fine. You pour that into the water as well. But I recommend the lime fruit, and I'll tell you why later. So when you put the salt and the lime in the second wash, and then as the salt dissolves, then also squeeze the lime, squeeze the fruit, and remove the liquid of it into the water. That's going to help remove the slime. And then when you squeeze it, you still have the fruit in there, the splitter ones. Then as you are washing the fish, you can use the cut part of the fruit of the lime to be scratching the bodies. Just be wrapping it like that. And then you realize that the water will become slimy again. And then you change another water for the third time. And by the time you finish washing the third time, you will realize that almost all or most part of the slime will be gone from the fish. You can stop at that time, or you can decide to continue for the 4th time and add another salt and lime again and wash them thoroughly. And you will realize that your fish will be washed off completely from the slime. So that is quickly how to wash the slime out. So if you're going to cut them, then afterwards you can be cutting them and then when you cut, put it back into the water, because once you are cutting there will be blood coming out. So you put it back into the water where there's lime again and possible salt again, and then wash it for the final one after the cut. And if you're also going to quail them, then you just go ahead and quail. Either you are going to smoke or whichever method that you are going to use, you can quail or cut. And I've had a complete video on how to smoke catfish, and it includes from harvesting to smoking, which also includes washing them. Check that out in the description and on the end screen. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Abdulaziz Isa. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so and help share and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.